Welcome to my channel. I'm Darla Rodriguez. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and hit that bell to be notified every time we post a video. So today we're talking about makeup, no makeup, bronze looks. That's what I have going on right now. Stick around so you can see how I made this look. So we are still on our spring 2019 trends, and one of them is a summer bronzed makeup, no makeup look. Super fun, super easy, just gives you that sun-kissed glow. I've got some fun products to use to get this done. So I have my hair up right now, I'm pulling my sleeves up, and we are gonna get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to put on some Glazin eye gloss from Butter London. I know I'm not a finger person, but this is just a makeup, no makeup look. So I'm gonna dip in, it's kind of like a jelly. The super glossy look is really popular this season as well. I'm not using a brush because it's just supposed to be like haphazard, just on there. Nothing precise, which is hard, right? Because we're used to making it so clean and precise, at least I am, and so it's hard for me. But you just kind of pop it on there. I'm going to just shear it out a little bit, not even putting anything up on my brow bone. Just blending it out so it's super natural. And you might get some glitter some places, so I'm going to just clean up right here so it's not all over my face. And I'm using this little wipe. I mean, these are just baby wipes. They're not even makeup wipes. If you want to go out and buy makeup wipes, I don't use it to clean my face. If you watch any of my videos, you'll know I'm not a big fan of makeup wipes to clean your face. I don't think they do. They don't clean your face. So this is just a brown eyeliner. And I'm gonna go really, really close to the lash line just to make it stronger. That's it. Really, really close down by those lashes so it doesn't really look like liner. It's just looking like a thicker lash line, just enhancing where your lashes go, because I'm gonna put mascara. That's gonna be the extent of my eyes. Like, it's just that easy. So I'm just using my Cils Booster that I use every day. And now mascara. So I'm done with my mascara. I just put a little bit of that glaze on. I am gonna go back in and put a little bit more of that glaze on underneath, but I wanna get my face done. So that is the extent of the eyes, super easy. Now what I wanna show you is what I'm going to do to get my bronzed look. So I have this Do the Hula by Benefit. It's awesome. I use it literally all the time. This I'm going to mix with Hangover. So one of the big things is with a bronze look, you want it to be super dewy and just glowing. You know that look when you are leaving the beach and you've been out and about and you just have this glow to your skin? That's what we're trying to achieve. So I'm going to put a little bit of Hangover, and less is more, right? It's a makeup, no makeup look. And I'm going to mix the Hula with the Hangover primer. So it looks like this. It's totally not my color, right? Because we're going for a bronze look. I'm gonna take a paddle brush, makeup brush, and I'm going to apply it. Well, I'm gonna try and look in this mirror in front of me. Really lightly, starting down here. And it's just giving some color to the skin. And you're gonna have to go all the way down your neck because clearly we haven't been in the sun. We're just trying to give that sun-kissed look. So blend all the way down. And I'm not going up around my eyes, I'm just kind of staying on the face area. If you don't have Hula, you can also just go a little darker with your foundation and mix it with a hydrating primer. And you're gonna kind of get the same effect. You know, make sure it's like a warmer. So see already on one side of my face, I just look a little darker. Still very natural, very glowy. Make sure you get it around the hairline there. I'm gonna do the other side really quick. I'm gonna use my fingers and just rub right into the neck, warm it up. So it's not supposed to look like super flawless, it's just supposed to look sun-kissed. Because again, it would kind of defeat the purpose of makeup no makeup if it looks like you have a ton of makeup on your face, right? I am gonna go in with my Taunt Miracle. I'm not even doing concealer. I'm literally just going to place this up here because this is a glowy foundation. And instead of concealer, because concealer is thicker, I'm gonna use foundation up here to brighten up my eyes. So there you go, super, super, super natural. Now, to get that glowy look, we're gonna go in with bronzer. So I am a fan of Hoola from Benefit, you know, I'm just a fan. And start just warming it up even more. Around your hairline, think of all the places that you get color naturally from the sun. Normally, our foreheads, the bridge of the nose right here. You want it to look as natural as possible. Down here, just kind of blend that in a little bit. Right around here. And just keep on going till you think like, okay, that looks like I've been out in the sun. And then I'm gonna take the liquid highlighter from Cover FX. I don't even know what color this is. It's really pretty though. And I'm going to pop this on. By the way, I'll link all these products below, you know, like I always do. So I'm just taking a drop. This is super liquidy. You can mix it with anything. I'm choosing just to use it as my highlighter. I'm just using my fingers because I want it to be super natural. Do you guys have a side of your face that you like better? I know we always say that. I like this side of my face better. It's like, and it's funny because I'm left-handed and so I'm always reaching over, but it seems like I like this side of my face better. It's crazy. I'm not a huge highlighter person, but for this, I am gonna give myself some glow. So it's just kind of like you keep on moving till you find, it's funny because you have to just keep on playing. It's funny because you want to just keep on going till you get that look that you're trying to achieve. Like I am gonna pop a little bit of pink because we all always get flushed. So it's kind of like a peach color. And I'm gonna pop this right here. And I know I'm doing it after my highlighter, but that's on purpose. Okay, so I popped a little blush on just to give it some of that rosy, sun-kissed glow. It's actually more of like a coral to go with my eyes because they're more rose gold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm kind of basically done with the face. I mean, I might pop a little bit. So I did that liquid bronzer, but I'm also going to grab just a little bit, and again, it's just trial and error till you find out what you like. So I have like this little bronze kit that I got from Lancome, and it has some highlighters. Their highlighters are really nice until I get like my desired, you know, like I was saying, your desired look. You just keep on going in till you find the look that you're wanting to achieve. Am I looking glowy? I feel glowy. So I haven't put any powder on, and honestly, I don't think I'm going to. No, I think I'm gonna go with that. On the bottom of the eyes, I'm going to take a very thin brush and I'm gonna dip it into this glaze, the Butter London glaze that I, ooh, almost lost it, that I put on top. I'm just going to put it underneath. Yeah, just a little bit. It's like a jelly. It's so cool, this stuff. I like it. And I am gonna put some right in the corner here. Something about putting some product in the corner of your eye just enhances the whole look. And it's such an easy little thing. Yeah, look at what that just did. Does that look glowy and sun-kissed and so pretty? And again, this is not precise. It's like, if I could get my finger down there underneath my eye, I would. This brush works a little better, but that's the only brush I'm using other than for my face. Now I am gonna put a little light mascara underneath, and I mean really light. Oh yeah, I'm feeling like a little sun goddess. My last little thing is my eyebrows. Instead of doing like a more precise brow, I'm just putting a little bit of color of, this is all, it's funny, I didn't mean to use All Benefit, but they've got such great products for this look that it's working. So this is their Gimme Brow, and it's just a little brush, and it actually, the color will adhere to your skin as well as your hair. So I want it to just be more natural, and this is a very natural brow product. This is what it looks like. Looks like that. And I'm just using it in the color, I think this is color number 3. Yeah, a lighter color, not too crazy. Okay, so eyes are done. Cheeks, and I'm kind of glowing. I feel like I have a lot of glow going on, and I'm going to put on my lipstick, and then we're complete. Okay, so I put on just a little bit of lip liner, and I am going to use, so Vlada, she did a collaboration with Smashbox, and this is their Always On. Unfortunately, this collaboration is gone, but they still have their metal Always On lipsticks that are available. They're so beautiful. I am going to use this. It's called Petal Metal. So what's great about these lipsticks is I love the applicator. It's pointed at the end. It's so great. I like to just go in and reline my lips. I already lined them, but I'm gonna reline them and then fill it in. These always, they're called Always On, and they have matte and they have metallic. And they have, what's the other one? It's called Always On Petal Metal Liquid Lipstick. This is their metal. I believe they still have metals, like in different colors. This is just a line that she did. Sorry, it's upside down. With them. So these metal lipsticks, they do dry down, and I kind of like more moisture, so I'm gonna put a little gloss on here. I got this kit, so the glaze that I used on my eyes, it came in a little Butter London kit. It was so cute. The glaze, a mascara, nail color, and this lip gloss. Look how pretty that looks. Just added a little bit of gloss right in the center, even though this is a metal look. So, here you have it. I am going to go get my hair fixed. We will finish up. This is a makeup, no makeup, summer 2019 makeup, no makeup, bronzed look. Okay, so I did a little change, fixed my hair, and I am ready for the day. Do I look bronzed? So this is the bronze makeup, no makeup look. Just a recap. A little bit of the eyes, mascara, liner on the liner line. If you don't have something like Hoola, which a lot of brands, they have like a bronzed glaze that you can put under foundation. I didn't even put foundation on top. I just went with that and mixed it with a moisturizer or actually the hangover primer. You know, mix a darker foundation. You want to thin it out though, because you want it very light so it looks like makeup, no makeup. Yeah, little bronzer, highlighter. We're ready for the day. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was fun. Try this out and let me know how you like it. You know, I'm always interested in seeing if you guys take anything away from these videos. There's look number 2 for spring 2019 looks. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.